Hey everybody, David Steenkamp here. Video number 29 now. Let's see, what I'm going to do in this one is I'm going to, let's see, where are we? We're going to do the menus under Appearance. So let's go into Appearance and then Menus. Okay. So depending on the type of theme that you have will depend on how many different menus you're actually allowed to have. So the first thing I always check is this tab up here, which is Manage Locations, as long as you have that tab. So what you can see, this is an easy way after you create all your menus just to pick which one you want to go in which place. And you don't even have to have one everywhere. It's totally up to you. Okay, so that's the first thing I do. The second thing I do usually is delete all of the menus that are already there. And I personally don't like this setting here to automatically add pages. I don't know, I don't really care for it. So anyways, alright, so here's what we're going to do. We're going to just delete all the menus that are in here. That's what I say we're going to do. So, alright, so menu has been deleted. Okay, let me just go back to the location, see if there's any more. So there's a pages menu, where is it? Okay, oh yeah, right here, duh. Alright, so I'm gonna just press delete on this one too. So just keep pressing delete until you get a page that looks like this, that has like nothing in it, and it says create menu. So the first one that I recommend everyone makes is called main menu. Okay. So next you want to select which location you want to put it on. So I want it to go on my primary menu location. Okay. So we're going to save that. Don't have to yet, but I do. And then under pages here, I'm going to click on view all because I want to see all of the pages I have. And now in my main menu, you just have to pick which pages you want there. So I want home, about, what I do, and who I am. Let's say that. And then you click this button right here, add to menu. Done. And then all you do is press save menu. Okay, and as long as you have primary selected here, you can double check it in the manage locations. So there it is there as well. Okay, so I'm just going to go back to edit just for a second. And now let's refresh and look at the top of our page, which is where the main menu is going to be. I can never remember if this this primary menu is, I think it's this one here, the top one. So let's just take a look. It should have home as the first item. There we go. So it's got home as the first item. Okay, so since this is a commerce theme, and I'm going to be selling multiple different kinds of fake yellow flowers, I'm going to create some categories, let's say. Actually, no, I'm not. I'm not even going to. But anyways, I just, like, this is pretty much all I really need to show you here. So, if you want to create another menu, you just click right here, create a new menu. Okay. Sorry, I just want to see secondary menu, that's what it's called. So if you want to create a new menu, click on create a new menu, call it secondary menu, or whatever you want to call it. I just like to keep everything as organized as possible and obvious too. Okay, so let's say we want that one to go in secondary menu, and then you can start picking your pages again. So this time I want the 3 that I didn't pick, so I want those added to my menu. And if you want them switched around, you know, you just click and drag. That's pretty much it. Alright, and that is, you know what, I think I'm going to save it. I'm going to check this. There we go, done. So now, like, I have my totally custom menus exactly how I want them. And if you want, you can do a menu down at the footer too. So why don't I just quickly do a footer menu as well. So I'm going to do one more new one. Create a new menu. See, so my other 2 are already in here. And what's the third one called? I think it's just called footer menu. Yeah. Okay. So last one we'll do, create a footer menu, create a new menu, footer menu. And you know what I think I want to do with this one? I think I just want to make it exactly the same as the primary one. So we're going to select footer menu, then we're going to go to all pages and do it the same. Those 4. Add to menu. Keep them in that order. Again, if you need to click and drag them around, go right ahead. So let's say you want to do that, or put it back, or if you want to make it a sub item of that, then you can do so. And then it'll be a drop down. Unless it's in a footer, it's probably not going to be a drop down. But okay, and then click save. Okay, and then I'm going to refresh my home page, or whatever page this is, it doesn't matter. Refresh. There we go. Boom, done. That's it. Okay, so next video I'm going to do the... Oh, I was going to do placement of menus, but I guess I already covered that. But I am going to do some custom menu links. So, yeah, let's do that. We'll do that next. Alright, see you in the next video.